Hi friends, let us see the PUM continuation class. On the day we have just deployed, but it is not completely done. And after whatever the options I have given, I have taken a screenshot and I have mentioned them here. After that, it will start the virtual machine and it will extract all the zip files, and then we need to give these options. One is it will ask whether it is a PUM installation or a fresh installation. We'll take PUM. And after that, we'll have kept the database name as a default database name, which he has specified, EP92U029, and port also have given a default. I have just pressed enter. Okay. And after that, it is asking for database system password. I have taken some password, like password #123, P capital, and connect ID and password I have given. Connect ID as people I have taken as same as people, and password I have taken PUP1. Okay. And after that, it will ask for the operator ID and password. It will ask for the database operator ID and the access ID. Access ID I have taken as sysadmin and sysadmin. The database operator ID I have taken as VP1. Okay. And after that, web server admin user ID and password. Web server admin user I have taken as system. Okay, and password I have taken as P capital @123. And similarly, I have given web's profile username as PT web server and password as the same PT web server. Okay, an integration broker, administrator, and I have given it as password. Okay. And after entering all this, we'll get a prompt. Are we happy with this answer? So I have given us Y. And again, it will ask you, do you want to complete and do you want to continue the default initialization process? I have again given us Y. And after the completion, we'll get a screen like this. The VM will start installing the components, like deploying application components, deploying PeopleTools components, deploying Oracle database, and after it will set up OS user environment, setting up PeopleSoft database, application server domain. It will directly create application server domain. It will set up prosecutor domain. It will set up PIA domain. It will set up Samba shared folder shares. I will show you what is Samba shares, and changing the passwords for your environment, configuring reboot PeopleSoft environment, okay, and setting up PeopleSoft domains. Everything is automated. In PUM, we will have a complete setup. Okay, using these PUM images, we can even install a complete environment, fresh environment. Okay, that's how they have designed these PeopleSoft update images. PeopleSoft images, update images. Okay, and after completion, the VM will be ready. This is the complete VM is ready. Okay. It will ask for root ID and password. Okay. We just need to enter ID as root and password as variety, which we have given at the starting of the installation. While configuring the PUM. And after that, to access the PUM homepage, we need to check whether it is installed perfectly or not. We'll log in using the PUM IP and the port number. Okay. Just have given IP and port number, then we'll get this repository and just clicking on it. And after that, we'll enter the operator ID and password which we have given, VP1. Okay, we'll get the page like this. Okay, this confirms that the PUM image, and the PUM the image which we have deferred is installed successfully. Okay, it gets logged in. I'm just signing out. We're again logging in. Okay. Now after that, what is the step? We need to use this PUM image to apply the bugs. To apply some packages to our real-time environments like demo, testing, staging, and production. Then how we need to do? For that, we need to have a workstation setup which can access PUM, right? For that, we need to install tools. People tools client, Oracle client, all those things. So we'll see how to do that. For that, we need to access the PUM shared folder. Just try to check the IP of the PUM. In our case, it is 110. Okay, 192.168.110. Just open the shared folder 192.168.0.110. Okay, it will show you two shared folders which are inside the PUM virtual box. Just open the tools client shared folder. In that you will have these folders, right? If our present environment is in 8.56, that is the environment which you have installed using the PUM is in 8.56, then you have to take the client of client 8.56. Okay, just copy it and paste it into your local drive. Okay, I have already done pasting into your local drive. Okay, I've already pasted it. Okay, and I have pasted two more files along with it. Those files are setup PT client and the DNS names. Okay, let's see. After pasting to the local drive, see I have pasted to the local drive T tools. Okay, we need to install this client. Okay, how to install this client? Along with this also we need to install one more thing, that is Oracle client as well. Okay, if you want you can download this as well. Just copy it and paste it to your local drive. I have already installed the database. My database client is already there with me, so I'm not downloading it now. I'm not copying and pasting it to my local drive. I'm just doing the installation 8.56. See how I need to install. The same way you need to install it also. I'm just using the command prompt and I'm going to the D drive, D colon enter. And after that I'm going to the folder where I have pasted those things, and I'm going to the client folder. And I'm running this script setup.bat. Try to open this as run as administrator. Okay, I've given -T the tools upgrade or patch. Okay, we're going to apply some patches now. That's why I'm using -T. Okay, just give Shift S. We're going to install tools client. Okay, client is related to Oracle. we also need to install the changes tent. Okay, but also I will show you how to install. It is asking to specify the PS home path. I am giving the PS home path as database name. We need to specify the same database name which we have given earlier. EP92U029.
Yes, right. రిక్వెస్ట్ పంపించేటప్పుడు అది అడిగితే అన్నమాట ఇక్కడ వస్తావా నదిపే చేస్తావా రిక్వెస్ట్ పంపిస్తే ఏరియా వెళ్ళేవాడికి యాక్సెప్ట్ చేశాను అనుకో ఫస్ట్ రిటైర్ చేయాలి రిటైర్ చేయాలి
It will take some time to install.
And just
In the meanwhile, we'll see how we can check. Let us see. There is in the PeopleSoft, and somebody says that it is a known bug, and we need to apply it to the environment we have. And let's say the bug is from, the bug is available in the image which we are using, okay, or in the earlier images, because every image is a cumulative image. It will have all other bugs which were included in the earlier image as well. Okay, and how we need to install this bug, that we will see. Okay, this is how it is. The following defect addresses the issue and is the bug number. The defect is incorporated in the image FSCM image 9 in 9.2. You mean the image 24. The name